Good morning. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. This is my blog. Today we will talk about how to load image icons, and I mean to say I want to show image loading icon on button when we click on when we click for uploading images. So uh, that's why to do this task I want to take a HTML page, and name of the HTML page is loading image. Now pick the load image file from the URL, or you can say internet, and save into your directory. After that actually I want to show the images on button control. So first of all get the ID property of the button on which I want to show uh, loading images. So first of all pick the button control by using their ID property in jQuery. Now after that we can use .html method through which we can add images. It's a simple task to assign loading image on button control. So also here we take another button control to reset the button. To do this task, it's a similarly which is already discussed in previous video tutorials. That's get the button ID. After that we can run HTML control, and through it we can get reset the button. Okay, so so here we have two button, that is be loading image to load the images icon. So first of all download the zip file from this URL, or you can also download the image from the internet. So I have a URL through which you can get the GIF file. Okay, that is we have a GIF file to loading images, fbloader.zip file. Okay, now save this file and use this file for your image location, or also you can use this URL. Okay, now the image are sorry the list of images shown in the folder, that is picture folder. And I want to take a jQuery in the head section, or you can also use jQuery which is available on internet. So http://code.jquery.com jQuery 1.10.2.js file. Okay, that's fine. Run the script file. First of all get the button ID by using their ID property of the button, that is loading. So in the function $# hash bloading dot click. When we click on the button that I want to show the loading images, so again get the button by using their id property, or you can use also the this keywords. Okay, dot html, it means this refer to the button control. I want to insert image on button control by using their image tag. The source of the file of the image you can also add into your website folder, or you can use the actual location of the file where your file is exist. So here we use www dot, that is the location. Copy this and paste it here. Yeah, now close the image tag. Also return the false, return false. After that, dollar sign, get the reset button id, that is the b reset button reset dot click. When we click on the reset button, then I want to show then all things are reset. So first of all, get the id property of the bloading by using their id property hash bloading dot html. I want to pass click to set loading. Okay, that is the message which is shown button when we click on the reset button. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please keep watching my all video tutorial. Thank you very much.